If you're experiencing approval delays on Binance, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to expedite the approval process. Step 1. Check your account status. Ensure that your account is fully verified and in good standing. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the verification section to confirm that all required documents have been submitted and accepted. Step 2. Review submission guidelines. Make sure that the documents you submitted meet Binance's requirements. Check the guidelines for acceptable forms of identification and ensure that your documents are clear, legible, and not expired. Step 3. Contact customer support. If your approval is still delayed, reach out to Binance customer support. Use the live chat feature or submit a support ticket detailing your issue. Provide any relevant information to help expedite the response. Step 4. Check for system updates. Sometimes delays can be caused by system maintenance or updates. Visit the Binance official website or their social media channels to see if there are any announcements regarding system issues that may be affecting approvals. Step 5. Be patient and follow up. After taking the above steps, give it some time for the approval process to complete. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support to check the status of your approval. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve approval delays on Binance. Remember to stay informed and proactive in your communication with support.